Hi, and welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, this is 50 Cents. I'm Eric. My wife is Amy. We're early 50-something-year-olds, and today's adventure, episode 2, we're going to take you on a hike. So let's get into it. Today we'll be starting off from our home base in Temecula, California, traveling south to Encinitas/Solana Beach. Temecula is a great little town. It's a wonderful staging point to reach lots of trails in Riverside County and San Diego County. It's known for being wine country, and you just never get tired of those hot air balloons. See them almost every day. Just some drone footage here outside of the San Elijo Lagoon Reserve, our destination today. It's just south of Encinitas, California. We'll be starting at the new San Elijo Activity Hub Park and Ride that was opened in 2023. It's at the Via Poco Trailhead, which is in Cardiff, a community in Encinitas. And that's the park and ride below. All right, ready to rock and roll?
I am so ready. Let's go.
All right. Our main reason for visiting this lagoon is the star of the show, Annie's Canyon.
Morning.
Good morning. The San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve itself is located north of Solana Beach and south of Cardiff, in the northern part of San Diego County. The reserve comprises some 979 acres and has 7 miles of trails which stretch from Cardiff State Beach and the Pacific Ocean into Rancho Santa Fe. Right now we'll be crossing the new suspension bridge that's underneath I-5 freeway. That connects you to the south side of the channel and Annie's Canyon Trail. While Annie's Canyon reopened to the public in 2016, the lagoon has for years been a place of quiet introspection, great trail running, and excellent birdwatching. While the canyon was unique for a long period of time in the reserve and had a different name, it was technically closed to the public because of safety concerns and because of vandalism and littering. What's that?
Should we smile?
Oh, absolutely. Well, those were friendly people.
Of course, they're dog people.
Annie's Canyon Trail. This way. Over the course of many months, the area was painstakingly restored to remove as much graffiti from the sandstone cliffs as possible and to build a safe trail that could be maintained. There you can start to see part of Annie's Canyon.
It says Amy.
That's you.
But I didn't do that.
One of the key components to the successful completion of the project was the financial contributions from Annie, the now namesake of the trail and a longtime Solana Beach resident. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
We're gonna do this one.
Yes, difficult. Where are we, honey?
We are at the Annie's Canyon, the Slot Canyon.
Sweet.
Here's where things get interesting.
Can't wait to see. Ooh, that's narrow. As you'll soon see, the narrow sandstone walls hug hikers as they make their way through San Diego's only true slot canyon. Man, there's like nobody here today.
No,
Kind of nice.
it is. Ooh, this is narrow.
Wow. Am I gonna fit? Let's see. Mushroom cave. For many years, the canyon was a problem area with graffiti, trash, and other unsavory things.
Time to climb.
Oh, this will be fun with one hand. Pretty crazy. Fortunately, that was the last of the stairs.
This last part's like tricky.
Oh, yes. You made it.
We made it. The view is gorgeous up here.
So the trail as a whole is basically a giant quarter-mile loop, but it can also be broken up into two separate routes. Here we'll be taking the moderate section of the trail downwards. If you were to go up, it consists of a normal, well-maintained trail, has some nice elevation gain, and terminates at the lookout we just saw.
And we did it.
Yeah, that's a fun one. I'll do it again later though. Back out on the trail we started on. This I've seen before is filled up with kids for kids field trips. It'd be pretty cool. I go on that. If you take the Slot Canyon route, the Conservancy rates that hike as strenuous. I would say that in all honesty, it's more of a moderate to beginner level hike, the great micro adventure payoff. That's due to the short distance and the short elevation gain.
It's so beautiful here.
So how are you doing back there?
I am fantastic. I'm enjoying this beautiful view. Forever fortunate to know you, forever in gratitude, forever in love. That's really sweet.
Lovely. Little bridge. Who doesn't like a little bridge? Our turnaround point is going to be up here. It's the Rios Trailhead, and that's about 1.66 miles from where we started.
I hear lots of birds tweeting.
Osprey.
la derecha o a la izquierda?
Izquierda.
Izquierda.
Little secret spot here. What are we looking for?
Look, that bird is so pretty.
Oh, the white one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, imagine if you lived in one of those, you would have a view of the ocean. You could sit outside in the morning and drink your coffee and then walk your tater dog on this path every day.
Sounds like a perfect start to a day.
I know, right? Whew! Look at the shadow of my hair. It's all over the place.
Yikes.
Maybe
Holy Medusa.
I probably should have worn a hat.
And to the left is what, baby doll?
Is where we're going?
Yeah, the little bridge.
Oh, the little bridge. Yes.
Our route back is on the Gemma Parks Loop. Gemma Parks was a former San Diego County Planning Commission member and a significant figure in the incorporation of Solana Beach.
Now, where did I put my tire?
Yep, that's definitely a tire.
Here, they fall off here.
Ooh, what's that in front of us, hon?
A little bridge.
That's right. Almost back to the olden park and ride. Welcome back, hon.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
All right, next stop, lunch.
Yay!
Up ahead is our lunch destination, Swami's Cafe. It's an Encinitas local favorite. It was founded in 1997 and the first store opened in 1998. We will be visiting the first location that was opened. Each Swami's has become a fixture of healthy dining in San Diego County, and it all started with a guy named Jamie Osuna. There are currently 11 locations. Yum, looks delicious. What do you got there, hon?
I have a date shake and the breakfast scramble.
Yum.
Yes.
Turkey melt on a wrap. Before heading back home, we're hitting one of our favorite spots when we're in Encinitas, Meditation Gardens. This place is absolutely beautiful. If you're in Encinitas, it's well worth the visit on a beautiful day. You can park on the street. There's an entrance at the main building. Gatekeepers there are very nice. They just ask that you turn the volume of your phone off, and it's a quiet place to meditate. There's also restrooms. The garden is immaculately kept with lots of shade, and there's seats to sit and enjoy. It's an easy walk for all ages. Gardens are free, but there is a donation box. You can spend as much time as you want here for spiritual folk or those just seeking a little peace and serenity. It's definitely worth a visit. Here it's just wonderful to sit, walk, or just relax in the peace and quiet. Visitors are asked to whisper only, and the view of the beach and ocean below is spectacular.